Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue à une nouvelle vidéo de Apprenons en français. Aujourd'hui, nous allons regarder le curriculum pour la classe de français de FSF3UB. C'est une classe qui sera donnée avec le guide du bac international ainsi qu'un parallèle avec le curriculum de l'Ontario. The course outline FSF3U. This course offers students extended opportunities to speak and interact in real-life situations in French with greater independence. Students will develop their listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills, as well as their creative and critical thinking skills, through responding to and exploring a variety of oral and written texts. They will also broaden their understanding and appreciation of diverse French-speaking communities and will develop skills necessary for lifelong language learning. So there are four basic components, which are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. We'll look at those in a moment. We are also going to look at the learning skills and work habits, and these are the 6 outlined on the Ontario report cards regarding responsibility, organization, self-regulation, independent work, collaboration, and initiative. The way the curriculum works is that we're looking at 4 basic criteria, which is knowledge and understanding of the language, being able to think, so critical and creative thinking skills in the target language, communication, so conveying of meaning through various communication form. That means that you can communicate in the language, but you can also be understood, and how to use the knowledge and skills for application to make connections within and between various contexts. So this is how it will work, and these are divided evenly for 70% of the mark, and the final evaluation will cover 30% of the marks. More information will be given to you as we get closer to the end of the semester. On the Apprenons en français website, you'll see there's a FSF3UB section with documents, and I added here the guide for Language B. That document is published by the International Baccalaureate, and you can have a look at it as you wish. And I also added here with the course outline the achievement charts from Ontario, but we will be using achievement charts that are built for IB, but the information and final reporting will be done within the parameters of the Ontario report card criterias. We are now going to compare the Ontario curriculum to the International Baccalaureate guide. Now we've just outlined what the course offers for the FSF3U. Let's look at what Language B is telling us. So Language B, our language is a language acquisition course designed to provide the students with the necessary skills and intercultural understanding to enable them to communicate successfully in an environment where the language studied is spoken. This process allows the learner to go beyond the confines of the classroom, expanding their awareness to the world and fostering respect for cultural diversity. The 2 modern language courses, so Ab Initio and Language B, develop students' linguistic ability through the development of receptive, productive, and interactive skills. With respect to the objectives of the course, for the Ontario curriculum, we have 4 basic skills, which are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. All of those, it's about understanding the language when you read it, listen, speak it, but also be understood. And that brings us to the other one, where we want to interact with the language, which is very important. And for that, we'll follow purpose, forms, and style. And ultimately, the reason for learning the language is listening, speaking, reading, and writing for intercultural understanding. Now, if you look for the IBO, we have that the following assessment objective of the program are common to both Language B and Language Ab Initio, and the level of difficulties of the assessment and expectations of student performance on the task are what distinguishes the 3 modern language acquisition courses. Communicate clearly and effectively in a range of contexts and for variety of purposes. Understand and use language appropriate to a range of interpersonal and or intercultural contexts and audiences. Understand and use language to express and respond to a range of ideas with fluency and accuracy. Identify, organize, and present ideas in a range of topics. And understand, analyze, and reflect upon a range of written, audio-visual, and audiovisual texts. So if you can see, there's a lot of parallel between the two courses. So as we go throughout the course, we will focus on what the International Baccalaureate is looking for, but we will be doing this in parallel with what the Ontario curriculum is asking us to do. So that brings us to the beginning of this course. Now we know what we're going to do, and welcome to this course again. Thank you.